Hello everybody, my name is Chris and today I'll be showing you how to fold some origami. Now, the term origami comes from the Japanese words ori, which means to fold, and kami, which means paper. So when put together, origami, you get to fold paper. So what you'll need today is a sheet of regular sized printer paper. And what we'll do here is we're going to be folding it in such a way that we get a perfect square. So what you'll do is you'll take that bottom left-hand corner and bring it over to the top edge of the paper and fold it diagonally. Now make sure to line it up really carefully because the closer it is to the edge, the more accurate our square will be. Now after we fold it, we can take a pair of scissors and cut along the edge here to cut away that extra strip. But what I like to do is I like to fold it a few times against that edge, and then I'll just tear it off. And there we go, a perfect square to be used for folding origami. So for our first step, we'll be folding the right edge of the square over to the left-hand side. Next, we'll unfold the paper and then fold the bottom edge to the top. We're going to need to unfold the paper again, and this time we'll be folding the bottom edge to the center crease, or the center line where we just made our previous fold. We'll flip the paper over from left to right so that it's on its back. And then we'll fold the bottom right corner diagonally up to the left so that it's aligned with the center crease. Repeat this step on the other side. We'll flip the paper over from the left to the right, and after we've done that, we'll then take the left and right edges and fold them so that they meet in the middle. Once that's done, we'll fold the top left and right corners diagonally towards the middle line once again. In this step, we'll be bringing the top point down to the bottom point and begin to flatten it out. It's helpful to put your thumbs in the middle when doing this step to give yourself a little bit of leverage. And remember, we're not flattening it out completely, we're just giving it a light press. That way, when we move on to this step, where we tuck the top point into the pocket, it becomes a little bit easier. For the next step, we'll be flattening out these top flaps. Now notice, when you pull it away, it creates these triangles, and that's what we're aiming for. So pull away from the flap and press it down so that these triangles form. For our next step, we'll be folding the top left and right corners diagonally inwards. After we complete this step, there's just one more step and our heart will be complete. For our final step, we'll be folding the top 2 points down just by a bit and make sure we're doing it for the same amount. So whatever you fold the right point down by, make sure to fold the left point down by the same amount so that they're even. Flip it over and the heart is now complete. This is a perfect origami for Valentine's Day.